Looking for all new Echo Plus? Here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like. Just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1. Echo Plus features a premium speaker for powerful 360-degree sound, and a built-in smart home hub and temperature sensor. Just ask Alexa to play music, answer questions, make calls and get information, news, sports scores, weather, and more. Number 2. Echo Plus has a new design and an improved sound. It comes with a built-in hub to easily set up and control your compatible smart home devices, another great product by Amazon. Number 3. Get your all-new Echo Plus now. Just click the link below for more.